Tired of being financially responsible, but still broke? Meanwhile, some dude on TikTok just hit $100,000 selling digital fish tanks. Here's the deal. It's not luck, timing, or genius. It's systems. If you're starting from $0, you can hit six figures by the end of 2026. No trust fund, no scammy course. This isn't motivation, it's a blueprint. So comment where you're starting from. $0? $10,000? $50,000? Let's see who's actually joining the 100K club next year. All right, enough talk. Let's build. 1. Stop waiting for the perfect time. Everyone says, I'll start when the economy's better, when I get a raise, when Mercury isn't in retrograde. Reality check. The perfect time never shows up. The only people who win are the ones who start while everyone else makes excuses. Don't wait for clarity. Create it by starting messy. Because before money grows, awareness does. 2. Audit your financial reality. You can't fix what you won't face. Most people don't have a money problem. They have a blindness problem. Track every dollar for 30 days. You'll be shocked how much leaks into little treats that add up to sabotage. Use an app, a Notion sheet, or even pen and paper. The goal is brutal honesty. If you're broke, it's not bad luck, it's a system error. You can't manage money you refuse to look at. Now that you see your leaks, it's time to automate your flow. 3. Build a money flow system. Stop manually managing money. You'll never out-discipline disorganization. Set up automation, direct deposit to checking, auto transfer to savings and investments and bills and subscriptions to scheduled. When money moves automatically, you stop hoping to save. It just happens. Automation turns broke habits into rich defaults, but you can't save your way to six figures. You've got to make more. 4. Increase income first, save second. You can't budget your way to $100,000 on minimum wage. You need to raise your earning ceiling. Learn a skill that prints income. Copywriting, UGC creation, editing, sales, design. Skills build leverage. Leverage builds money. You can't save what you don't earn. Once you've got a skill, it's time to scale it with one focused side hustle. 5. Monetize one side hustle hard. Don't chase 5 side hustles halfway. Chase one all the way. Pick one model that can scale. Freelancing, digital products, affiliate marketing, print on demand or coaching. Then commit for 12 months. No shiny object syndrome. You're not looking for dopamine, you're looking for data. Consistency is the cheat code everyone ignores, but making money is just half the equation. You have to keep it. 6. Master the 70-20-10 rule. Every dollar has a job. 70% for living, 20% for saving, investing, and 10% for learning. That last part, learning, compounds faster than stocks. Courses, books, mentors, they're your money multipliers. Invest in your brain before your brokerage. But there's one weapon rich people use that broke people fear: debt. 7. Learn to leverage debt. Debt isn't the enemy, stupidity is. The rich use debt to buy assets. The broke use it to buy status. Use credit strategically, camera for freelance gigs, tools for business, education that pays back. If it doesn't generate ROI, don't swipe. If it won't make you money, it'll keep you broke. Because the next step makes you recession-proof. 8. Build a recession-proof skill stack. AI won't replace people, it'll replace predictable people. Stack creative, emotional, and strategic skills: sales, persuasion, branding, and communication. If you can sell, no recession can touch you. But all the skill in the world means nothing if you can't delay gratification. 9. Delay gratification like a pro. Every I deserve it purchase delays your freedom. Starbucks, sneakers, spontaneous weekends, they add up. Every $10 wasted is $10 not invested. The wealthy aren't cheap, they're patient. The longer you wait to flex, the sooner you can retire. Now let's talk about your biggest multiplier, your environment. 10. Reinvent your environment. You can't reach $100,000 hanging with people who argue over $20. Your circle defines your ceiling. Follow creators, not complainers. Surround yourself with builders. If you're the smartest in the room, you're in the wrong building. Now that you're earning and saving, It's time to make your money work. 11. Invest in income-producing assets. Don't let money sit. Make it work. Start small with index funds, ETFs, or dividend stocks. Ignore hype. Focus on consistency. Your first $10 invested is proof, not profit. The rich don't gamble, they compound. But your greatest investment isn't in markets, it's in your brand. 12. Build a personal brand. Your brand equals credibility. In 2026, visibility is value. Document your journey, share your learnings. That online proof turns into clients, collaborations, and income. Attention is the new currency, spend it wisely. But attention fades, systems last. 13. Build systems, not hustles. If your income stops when you stop, you don't own a business, you own a job. Build automations, templates, SOPs. System equals money that moves when you don't. Hustling buys you money. Systems buy you freedom. And freedom starts when you track your progress. 14. Track net worth, not income. Stop chasing paychecks. Start chasing ownership. Your net worth is your scoreboard. Track assets, debts, and savings every month. Small progress beats big talk. What gets tracked grows. And this is what truly sets the 1% mindset apart from everybody else. 15. The $100,000 mindset. The first $100,000 isn't about money, it's proof of consistency. Once you hit it, everything compounds faster. It's not luck, it's leverage. You've built systems, discipline, and awareness. $100,000 isn't rich. It's the training ground for freedom. So here's your $0 to $100,000 playbook. Start before you're ready. Audit every dollar. Automate your flow. Grow your income through skills, one focused hustle, and smart systems. Save strategically, learn aggressively, and invest early. Protect your environment and track your progress. Do these 15 things relentlessly, and by 2026, your broke era becomes your best investment story. Money doesn't reward talent, it rewards discipline. Your first $100,000 isn't made in your wallet, it's made in your mindset. When everyone else flexes, you'll be stacking quietly. When they post, you'll invest. When they complain, you'll compound. By the end of 2026, you'll look back and realize the biggest shift wasn't financial, it was personal, because you stopped waiting, started building, and turned $0 into proof that consistency beats everything. If you made it this far, you're already in the top 1% who don't just watch wealth content, they act on it. Comment 100K Club below. I'm replying to every one of you. And if you're serious about your 2026 money game, hit subscribe, because the next video will show you how to make your first $10,000 online in 90 days. Stickman out.